Hello boys and girls. This week in art we are going to be making a vase out of shapes that we're going to turn into forms. And it's super easy to turn a shape into a form. So we're going to show you how to do that, and we're going to add some designs and some texture and some wallpaper. So I used crayons to make my vase. You are welcome to use any materials you have available to you. Please start out in pencil, and then you can go over it with a black crayon or a black colored pencil or a black marker, and then go in and add your details. You're welcome to use paint or crayons or markers or colored pencils, any material you have available to you. Here's a worksheet that I am including for how to turn shapes into forms. And here are some examples of how to combine these different shapes to create your own vase shape. To create our vase, we are going to need a piece of paper and a pencil. I am making sure to start drawing at the top of my paper so there's lots of room to create a nice big vase. So I'm going to make a triangle and two circles. Remember, they're going to turn into forms. So at the top of the triangle, I'm going to draw an oval, and that's going to become the opening for my vase. And I'm going to outline the top of that vase so that I am able to tell where the top of the vase is and the sides of the vase. So I'm not going to pay attention to the lines that go into the next shape, because if I do that, it's going to alter the shape of the vase that I want. So I'm just going to trace around the shapes to make one vase that's made out of three separate shapes. Now, to make these three-dimensional and turn them into a form, I'm creating these curved lines all the way from the top of my vase to the bottom of my vase, and that's going to make the vase appear to be three-dimensional. So turning that flat object, that flat shape, into a three-dimensional form. Once I've outlined my vase with a black crayon, you can use a black marker or a black colored pencil or a black pen, whatever you have available. Then you're going to carefully erase your pencil lines. Now that we have our vase outlined, we are going to make our vase sitting on a table or on a flat surface. And we're going to start adding designs with our black crayon or black marker, whatever material you have available. So I'm going to do some diagonal lines. And I'm going to go in different directions with those diagonal lines. I'm going to do some zigzag lines on the top of my vase. And I want to kind of create a pattern, so I might skip a couple or skip one to have like a zigzag line, a different type of line, and then a zigzag line, a different type of line, however you want to do that. And I want the bottom to have maybe a wavy line. So these are just some ideas for how you can decorate your vase. You don't have to decorate yours the same way. You don't even have to make the same shape of vase as I am. I've included some examples for the different vase shapes that you can create. All right, once I have all the lines that I want, all the designs that I've created, I'm going to go in and color inside those different designs that I've created. So I might color in some of the triangles blue. I might color in some of the wavy lines green. I might do the big bands or the big lines, the thick lines, pink or yellow. I might add some details on top with my black crayon again, however I want to decorate. And now that I'm done with decorating the vase, I'm going to color in the table. So now that we have the vase and the table done, we're going to add a background and some wallpaper to the area behind the vase. So I decided that I want to do a flower pattern for my wallpaper. You can do a star, hearts, triangles, different shapes, whatever you want to do to decorate the space around your vase. Now you can go in and color and decorate the space that's around your vase. I'm doing some pink flowers with some yellow centers, and for the wall itself, I'm taking a crayon on its side and creating texture by rubbing it over the paper. All right, boys and girls, and here we have our three-dimensional vase. We combine different shapes and turn them into 3D forms. We added designs and colors and really made our vase come to life and become a 3D form. I can't wait to see the shape of vase that you create and all the different patterns that you put on your vase. I hope you enjoy and have fun and stay creative. We'll see you next time.